Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joanna Springer and I welcome you to this Starlight flight to New York. The flight is now ready for boarding. We now invite our first class, business class, long-term senator and Star Alliance Gold customers to board to the left-hand side.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome aboard our Swiss International Airlines and the Star Alliance flights to New York John F. Kennedy Airport. Captain Peter Gilly and his entire crew would like to welcome you all on board our Boeing 777. My name is Christian Golubic and I'm field member of the cabin on this flight. The flight time to New York will take approximately 8 hours and 30 minutes. For safety reasons, please make sure that mobile telephones and other wireless transmitting devices are now either set to flight mode or to be switched off completely.
30 minutes pour des raisons de sécurité, nous vous prions à présent de vous assurer que tous les téléphones portables et autres appareils à transmission de données sans fil sont soit mis sur mode avion, soit complètement éteints. Pour de plus amples informations concernant l'utilisation d'appareils électroniques à bord, veuillez consulter le Swiss Magazine qui se trouve dans la poche de votre siège. Mesdames et messieurs, nous vous souhaitons un agréable vol en notre compagnie.
About safety on board. Your hand luggage must be placed in an overhead bin or under the seat front. It's forbidden to place hand luggage in front of the bulkhead seats or the emergency exits. Because turbulence can occur unexpectedly, you are obliged to have your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated, located as shown on the screen, and the safety on board card. Life jacket is located under your seat or below the armrest.
flying through an area of local turbulence. For your own safety, we kindly ask you to return to your seats, fasten your seatbelts tightly. We hope for your understanding. Restez assis avec votre ceinture de sécurité attachée. Nous faisons appel à votre compréhension.
I'll take this opportunity to welcome you on board this Boeing 777. We just passed the city of Paris. Et veuillez ranger vos bagages à main dans le compartiment à bagages sous le siège devant vous. Merci. À cette occasion, nous aimerions vous rappeler la possibilité d'un don pour les villages d'enfants SOS. Et pour votre information, l'utilisation des toilettes ne sera plus permise dans environ 20 minutes. Nous faisons appel à votre compréhension.
Toiletten ist nun nicht mehr gestattet und die Lokalzeit in New York. Es ist nun 15:18 Uhr Ortszeit.
Ladies and gentlemen, we kindly ask you to remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until we have reached our final parking position and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Thank you. Please open the overhead lockers carefully as baggage may have shifted during the flight. Here in New York, the whole crew would like to say goodbye to you. We hope that you have enjoyed this Swiss flight with us and we are looking forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure to have you on board and we thank you very much for choosing Swiss for your journey. Thanks very much indeed. Have an excellent evening, all the best and goodbye.
For your Captain, we'd like to ask you to remain seated. Our gate is actually still occupied, so we have to maintain this position for a short moment. As soon as we get permission to continue, we'll get in contact with you thereafter. Therefore, please remain seated and fast. Thank you for your cooperation.